Alright guys, I'm back to the house and Espe's already, oh my god.
So this is the vanity you see, and look at this you guys. What?
What?
You see, it's a mirror.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I know.
Oh my god! Wow!
Baby, you need to help me do this,
Yeah, of
baby.
course.
I can't do it by
Yeah,
myself.
but go ahead, give him a little tour.
Okay, so let's see. Wait, I need to keep opening it. Holy crap! So,
You got this.
oh my goodness! Look how beautiful this is, babe.
You like it, babe?
Yes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let me see.
What is that?
Because
Baby, let me help you.
no,
Instead of doing all the yapping, hold on. Hold this, hold
baby,
this.
don't try to act mad.
Hold on. Get out of here. Get out, get out, get out.
No, look how pretty! Ay, Sebas, please
Let me help
don't
you, babe.
embarrass me in front of the trenders.
First of all, this is the wrong.
No, it's not.
Screwdriver.
It's not the wrong screwdriver.
Okay, it still works. Okay, so here's that. Boom.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. Okay.
Look how pretty this is, you guys.
Let's do the
So
bottom
we're
one.
gonna do the other ones and we'll get right back to you. Bebé, first you have to put them para que se sostenga. Good job, bebé.
5 minutes later.
Okay, guys, welcome to today's Q Seba C.
Okay.
Okay, so welcome to Seba QC, whatever. And today, guys, we have for you a very special, okay, vanity set.
Vanity table.
Vanity table?
Yes.
Okay, guys, so here, you're gonna have Esperancita echándose polvito, putting a little makeup, okay? And then here, you see, we have the luxury wood, I don't know. And then over here, you see the modern design, okay? There you have it, guys.
Okay, guys. What Tess is not telling you, I'm actually planning on putting a mirror right here, a LED mirror, and I'm gonna buy a little rug and a little puffer here. So don't forget to check them out. This is from Homary. Sebas,
Oh,
por
say,
favor.
Wapi, say.
No, Sebas,
It is.
pick him up.
And now you can get the
No,
table with the
no.
doggy.
Yeah, baby.
Oh,
So this is actually the Homary from Homary.com. They actually sell a lot of great vanities, so if you want to check them out. And I'm gonna show you guys the final look when it's ready, okay? This is just the start, and I will show you the final.